Hi everybody, it's Stephen Aitchison here with another TA video for FibSwap, and today we're going to be looking at some numbers as well, because these numbers that are on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap etc. are not quite right. So, circulating supply of Fibo token is currently 3.674 billion, not the 10 billion that's here, that's a max supply, but already 500 million have been burned, so the max supply is 9.5 billion, so that's not quite right either. We've kind of written to CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap, but it's still not been updated yet. So it was just to give you an idea of where we are just now. So it says here, fully diluted valuation just now on CoinGecko is $100 million. That's not accurate. The fully diluted valuation just now with regards to the circulating supply is $36.7 million just now. So that is the correct figure. So 3.674 billion in circulation just now, which gives it that market cap of 36.7 million, not 100 million. So it does look better when you kind of look at it like that. So that's the first thing I want to mention. Next thing, we've added new tokens to the DEX. You can see here we've got Fibo token, Cake, Baby Doge, Beamon, Rise, and we've now added Greenheart CBD, which is a token our group has bought into as well, which is fantastic. We've got that on the BEP20 side. We've got Ethereum, USDT, USDC, SHIB, HAWK, FEG and UNI on the east side. However, we're going to be bringing out a lot more, and there is a lot more actually on the DEX version 1.2, which is coming out. I've seen the look of that and it looks pretty amazing, to be honest. So you don't want to be jumping out of this token, because there's a lot of big things coming up. Wink wink. Okay, we'll look at some TA for FibSwap. So you can see here we're still on the traffic light charts. I think that's the best type of simple TA we're looking at. You can see here we've got support, a strong support line of 0.9 cents for this just now, and is bouncing off that again. So bounced off that a couple of times. Now if we happen to fall below that, where's the next line? There, we're going to just draw on a line for the support. So we're looking at, we'll just put that as red. So we're looking at 0.6 cents if it goes below the 0.9 cents. I don't think it will. As I said, there's lots of good things coming up. So we've got resistance area here of 1.6 cents, and we've got the high here of 2.2 cents. We're going to move that up. It should be on the daily here to look at that. So on the daily, we're looking at about 2.2 cents there, and you can see it's bouncing off this strong support line. That's been strong support line all the way through, and we're bouncing off that again. So it's still looking good for FibSwap. So obviously the whole market is coming down a wee bit because Bitcoin is coming down slightly. It's coming off the kind of $50,000 level and coming down, and that just makes the whole market a wee bit jittery. So it's in line with the market. It has come down from this all-time high. It's down 50%, as to be expected, because it was a huge jump up from there. So not worried about this at all. Still hold a lot of FibSwap. I've sold a lot as well. Of course, I've sold a lot of FibSwap as well, but I do hold a hell of a lot of FibSwap and holding for the long term as well. So this is looking good for FibSwap just now. Lots of great things coming out, as I said, and definitely one to hold for the future as well. Okay, until next video, namaste, take care, bye now.